Plant FAQs. Vitis labrusca, Concord grape. What is Vitis labrusca? Vitis labrusca, commonly known as the Concord grape, is a species of grape native to North America. Unlike its European cousins, Vitis vinifera, Vitis labrusca is known for its distinct, strong aroma and flavor that many people describe as foxy. This term reflects its musky, earthy taste, which can be polarizing. The Concord grape is widely recognized for its use in grape juice and jelly, making it a popular choice for home gardeners and commercial growers alike. How to grow Vitis labrusca. Growing Vitis labrusca is relatively straightforward, provided you meet a few basic needs. Start by selecting a sunny location in your garden. These grapes thrive in full sunlight. They prefer well-draining soil, so avoid heavy clay or overly wet conditions. To plant, dig a hole twice as wide as the root ball and mix in some compost to enrich the soil. Space your grapevines about 6 to 8 feet apart to allow them room to spread. Vitis labrusca is a vigorous grower, so you'll need to train the vines onto a trellis or arbor to keep them manageable and to improve air circulation, which helps prevent fungal diseases. Water the plants regularly, but ensure that the soil is not waterlogged. During the growing season, apply a balanced fertilizer to support healthy growth and fruit production. Is Vitis labrusca and riparia grown in Iowa? Yes, both Vitis labrusca and Vitis riparia are grown in Iowa. These varieties are well suited to the Midwest climate due to their cold hardiness. Vitis labrusca, in particular, can handle the harsh winters and fluctuating temperatures typical of Iowa. This makes it an excellent choice for local vineyards and home gardens. Vitis riparia, often used as a rootstock, also adapts well to Iowa's conditions, supporting various grape varieties. Is Vitis labrusca seedless? No, Vitis labrusca is not typically seedless. Most varieties of Vitis labrusca, including the popular Concord grape, contain seeds. However, there are seedless varieties of grapes, but these are generally hybrids or cultivars of other species. If you're looking for seedless grapes, you might need to consider Vitis vinifera or specific seedless hybrid varieties instead. What advantage does Vitis labrusca have over other grapes? Vitis labrusca offers several advantages over other grape varieties, especially if you appreciate its unique characteristics. One significant benefit is its adaptability to colder climates. Unlike many European grape varieties that struggle with frost, Vitis labrusca can withstand the chilly temperatures found in regions like Iowa. Its robust flavor also makes it ideal for producing strong-tasting grape juice and jelly, which are popular in many homes. Another advantage is its disease resistance. Vitis labrusca tends to be less susceptible to certain grapevine diseases, such as powdery mildew, compared to some Vitis vinifera varieties. This makes it a more reliable choice for organic growers or those looking for lower-maintenance vines. How to care for Vitis labrusca. Caring for Vitis labrusca involves a few key practices. Regular pruning is essential to maintain vine health and productivity. In early spring, before new growth begins, prune back the previous year's growth to encourage strong new shoots. Removing dead or diseased wood also helps prevent potential problems. Monitor for pests and diseases, especially during the growing season. Aphids, spider mites, and grapeberry moths can sometimes be issues. Using organic insecticides or introducing beneficial insects can help manage these pests. Ensure good air circulation around the vines to minimize fungal problems, and consider mulching around the base to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. How to propagate Vitis labrusca. Propagating Vitis labrusca is most commonly done through cuttings. In late winter or early spring, take semi-hardwood cuttings from healthy vines. Dip the cuttings in rooting hormone and plant them in a mixture of sand and peat moss. Keep the cuttings in a warm, humid environment until roots develop. Once rooted, you can transplant the young vines into your garden. What to plant with Vitis labrusca. Vitis labrusca can be planted alongside other companion plants that have similar needs. Herbs like basil and mint can help deter pests and provide a pleasant aroma around the grapes. For a decorative touch, consider planting marigolds, which are known to repel certain insects. Additionally, planting cover crops like clover or rye can help improve soil health and provide nutrients for your grapevines. Can you grow Vitis labrusca indoors? Growing Vitis labrusca indoors is challenging due to its need for ample sunlight and space. While it's possible to grow grapes indoors with sufficient light from grow lights and a suitable trellis system, it's generally more practical to grow them outdoors where they have the space and natural conditions they need to thrive. Is Vitis labrusca toxic? No, Vitis labrusca is not toxic to humans or pets. The grapes are safe to eat and are widely consumed in various forms, including fresh, juiced, or made into jelly. However, as with any plant, it's always a good idea to ensure that you're consuming them in moderation and avoiding any potential allergens or sensitivities. Benefits and common problems. The benefits of growing Vitis labrusca include its adaptability to colder climates, its robust flavor for culinary uses, and its relative disease resistance. Common problems include managing its vigor, which can lead to overgrowth if not properly pruned and trained. Additionally, its susceptibility to certain pests requires regular monitoring and management. Overall, Vitis labrusca is a versatile and hardy grape variety that can be a valuable addition to your garden, offering both practical benefits and unique flavors.